Okay, the first thing you want to do is braid your frontal down. Once your front is braided down, you can begin the pinning down process. Okay, when you're doing the pinning down process, I like to pin from right to left because I am right-handed. If you're left-handed, you can begin from left to right. And whenever you're pinning down your frontal, you want to make sure that your frontal is aligned because if not, it will be thrown off. Also, you want to check the front of the frontal, leaving half of an inch up to an inch past your cap. Once that's complete, you begin the stitching, starting in the center, working your way out. On your first stitch, you want to make sure to always knot it. That way you can secure the center of the frontal into place from the back. Post stitching is a must. We're going to go ahead and fast forward through this process. It's pretty much stitching down the left side of the hair now. Always remember ergonomics. Make sure you save those backs. No need to be bending over. Always adjust your stand that's suitable for proper posture. And if you have a client in a chair, you want to adjust the chair also. Okay. Okay, we're going to begin with the first bundle, which is a 22-inch. I like to finger through my hair. You can brush it if you want. You can comb it if you want. I just like to finger through. And keep my stitching as close as possible because I like to have the full effect. And see, I can pull mine up in a ponytail. Now that the first row is in place, I'm going to go ahead and begin doubling my tracks because I want the fullness in this particular unit. Whenever I do the flip over method, I like to go ahead and knot it. And whenever you're stitching, remember not to take too much of the cap in your needle because what that'll do, that'll shrink your cap. And you don't want that. And again, I use hair by Tanlisi, which is an Amazon vendor. Please excuse my smacking, y'all. Please excuse my smacking. Ugh. The frontal is a 16. My bundles were 18, 20, and 22. I used a little of the 18 because I wanted the 16 to flow into the 20 and the 22. But for now, I'm satisfied with the fullness of it because it is winter time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Proper stitching produces seamless flow. Seamless. So again, I thank you all for tuning in, doing the construction of this unit, and I would like for you all to have a great day.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.